Hello again. In this tutorial, we will have a first look at AMOS and AMOS interface. I will be showing you how to draw your first CFA model. Welcome to AMOS. I have opened the program, and what you get when you click Open a new project is a screen looking like this. Let's start by just saving this screen as a CFA free construct model, and I will give it a number 1 because I've got one of those already. So CFA 3 construct model, save it where you wish. I'm going to place it on desktop. Save. What you will notice now is that the name has popped up here and nothing has changed. Let's begin by drawing a model. We will be trying to draw a 3 construct model based on Bagotzi. We'll begin by drawing the first construct. So you go here. When you point your cursor on one of those icons, it tells you exactly what it does. So it says draw unobserved variables. Click on it and then draw. Here is our first latent variable. Now, if you right-click your mouse, right-click it, you get a box called Object Properties, and click on those properties. This box enables you to name the variable. So let's say we would like to name it Job Satisfaction. Job, new line, satisfaction. Okay, no save button, just need to close it. And you see here is our latent construct, now with a name attached to it. Now we need our observed or indicator variables. To draw them, you click on this little icon here, draw indicator, add indicator variable, click on it, and you click on the construct as many times as variables you require. Remember, our satisfaction has 4 indicators. Here they are. Okay, let's draw another construct this time. Maybe motivation. Let's place it here. Here it is. I am right-clicking again to bring up object properties. We call it motivation. Close it. It's here, and motivation has also 4 indicators. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another one. Take a circle, draw, right-click, object properties, and this time we'll add performance. Okay, click, fantastic. And performance will also have 4 indicators. Right, everything looking great, except for the fact that I can't quite see what's up there. I will move things then. I will click this button here, rotate, and I'll click on the construct and see the indicators are moving around. Let's do this, try this one with motivation. And I like them here, and with performance, I like them here. Say that you make a mistake, and instead of having 5 indicators on performance, you suddenly have 6. What you do then, you do this, click this little cross here, erase objects, and you just remove them. Like that. Okay. Performance again with 4 indicators. Now, couple of things to finish our CFA model. CFA models have covariances between the latent variables, so we'll draw them. Covariances, as you remember, have double-sided arrows, and we click on a construct and another construct, and here is covariance. And now we'll join job satisfaction with performance, and now motivation with performance. There you are. We have to add the variables here, the indicator variables. The easiest thing to do is to choose our data file. Here is a little icon called Select Data File. We'll click on that, and that opens a box which allows us to click it. In this box, you click on File Name, click, and it gives you the menu. My data is on my desktop. Here it is. I am picking it up. I am asking the software to open it, and you will see that the name is picked up here. Once this is done, you click OK, and you have your data for estimation. Couple of more jobs to do. One is we have to name all these observed variables. Quickest way to do it is to click on this box, list variables in the data set. Okay, I'll move it a little bit out of the way and make it larger. Right, so I've got them all. Here they are. So my job satisfaction, I am clicking on the variable and dragging it to the right box. Job satisfaction 2, 3, and 4. And then I have my motivation. Motivation 1, 2, 3, and 4. You recall that these questions, these M's and JS's, correspond to questions on our questionnaire. Now then I have performance P1, P2, P3, and P4. Great. I can close that, all named. And the last job, before we can run the estimates, you click on the menu here, because what we have left unnamed are all the errors associated with indicator variables. So we'll click on plugins and an option named unobserved variables. Ta-da! All the errors are here. All right, the model is ready to estimate. To estimate a model, you click on a button called Calculate Estimates. Ready? Go. Way! And now we have a result here. As you can see, we now have two little tabs on the top, and it's the red one that we are interested in, and more specifically, we are interested in the standardized estimates. They are standardized because all the variables have been standardized to the same scale. What you are looking for in measurement model is the relationship between a latent construct and its indicator variable. And what you are really looking for are ones that are definitely above 0.5. See, this one is 73, and ones about 0.7 are really good. No, so we've got some really good ones here. 86, 87. In general, very nice. This is the end of this session. In the next session, I'll let you know what all of this means. Thank you for your time. Bye.